Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. In a developing story, Movado's brother and his 17-year-old son are now in police custody. E-Prime has learned that yesterday the police raided and detained 5 people who were at Movado's house in Norbrook, St. Andrew. The 5 people were identified as Movado's brother Steve Gordon, his 17-year-old son whose name is being withheld, his gardener, and 2 of his cousins, one of whom is dancehall artist Chase Cross. The 5 persons are currently still detained and are yet to be questioned. Yesterday, the Constant Spring Police issued a notice for Movado to report to the police station by midday today. The entertainer did not show up. However, a representative from Movado who wished to remain anonymous confirmed that Movado is currently overseas preparing for a performance on Saturday in Florida. Movado's attorney was not present as he is also in the United States. In an effort to get a statement from the JCF on the ongoing matter, E-Prime was referred to the JCF's Constabulary Communications Unit Assistant Superintendent of Police Delia Garrick. We were unable to reach Assistant Superintendent Garrick, but was advised that she will issue an official statement. Previous reports indicate that the gully god was shot at in Cassava Peace after getting in a dispute with an individual in the community. Movado, in a social media post that has since been deleted, has stated that some of what's being reported in the media is not true. The 2018 Festival Song Roadshow kicked off over the weekend. The 2018 Festival Song Roadshow will see the top 10 performers of the 2018 Jamaica Festival Song Competition attempt to outshine and outsing each other at 6 stops in 6 parishes across the island throughout the month of June. The island-wide tour started in Sam Sharp Square in Montego Bay last Friday, where patrons were treated to the soothing sounds of the contestants before being treated to the performance by Mr. Love Doctor himself, Romain Virgo. The tour then moved to Mandeville Town Square, Manchester on Saturday, where reggae crooner Etana gave the crowd a spirited performance. Mr. Clark noted that the event is beneficial for the revitalizing of Western Jamaica.
Seems like that friendly city Montego Bay is coming back together now because, believe me, this is the largest gathering after a certain time in Montego Bay since SOE.
The 2018 Festival Song Roadshow will continue this Thursday in Junction Square, St. Elizabeth, with guest artists George Nooks, Ashy Ensemble and local boy Naughty Virtue, all backed by Mint Expression Band. Reggae Sumfest will be going cashless for the first time in the festival's 26-year history. Sumfest has collaborated with MasterCard, so on July 15 to 22, patrons will be able to make electronic purchases at all the different facilities set up in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. The decision to go cashless also serves to enhance safety for all patrons. In news overseas, the Miss America competition is saying bye-bye to bikinis, as contestants in the competition will not strut on stage wearing swimsuits this year. The organizers announced yesterday that the removal of the swimsuit competition is in an effort to redefine the pageant and strengthen female empowerment and gender equality. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran.